Hi friends, we're going to practice our letter cards today. So I'm going to hold up the letter card like we do at school, and I want you to say out loud, I want you to tell me what sound this letter makes. So if I hold up Allie Alligator, you say ah, ah. Okay, ready? Allie Alligator. Ah. Bubba Bear. B. B. Katina Cat. K. K. Dee Dee Deer. Dee Dee Deer. What does Dee Dee Deer say? D. Ellie Elephant. She says, eh. Francie Fish. Francie Fish. She says, Gordo Gorilla. G. Honey Horse. Any Inchworm. Jerry Jellyfish. J. Ko Kangaroo. K. Lizzie Lizard. Oh. Missy Mouse. Nigel Night Owl. Ollie Octopus. Aw. Pee-wee Penguin. P. Queenie Quail. Qu. Robbie Rabbit. Sammy Snake. S. Timothy Tiger. T. Umbrella Bird. Vincent Vampire Bat. V. Willie Weasel. W. Xavier Fox. X. Yancey Yak. Y. And Zeke Zebra. Z. Practice your letter sounds at home with all of our letter friends. Love you. Bye.